Hello, here I have iPhone Air and let me show you how to enable the lockdown mode on the following device. So before we start, let me explain what is the lockdown mode. So lockdown mode is an optional extreme security setting designed for individuals targeted by sophisticated digital attack. So if you are thinking that you are under attack, it's important to quickly enable this lockdown mode. Let me show you how to do it. Let's open the settings. Here, let's scroll down to select privacy and security right here. Scroll down again and choose here lockdown mode. It's the last option from the following list and choose turn on lockdown mode. As you can see here, you've got the explanation. You can learn more about it. So here you've got the whole Apple website about it. But if you are aware of the following lockdown mode, let's just tap turn on lockdown mode. So when iPhone is in lockdown mode, apps, websites and features will be strictly limited for security and some experience will be completely unavailable. So you have to be unable of this. Here you've got the longer explanation. For example, photos. Location will be excluded by default when sharing photos and shared albums will be removed from photos. Let me tap turn lockdown mode. As you can see, for complete protection, lockdown mode has to be enabled on all your devices. Lockdown mode requires iPhone to restart. So let me tap turn on and restart. You need to confirm it by using your passcode. The device is restarting. Alright, and now your phone is in lockdown mode. So you can use your device, but some of the features will be disabled. And if you would like to go back to normal mode, you need to choose privacy and security one more time. Scroll down, choose lockdown mode, and here you can easily turn off the lockdown mode by using this red button. Choose turn off and restart. You need to enter the passcode again to confirm it. The device is restarting, so it's a normal process. The phone will reboot itself and afterwards you will be able to use your phone in a normal mode. So that's it. Let's just be aware that if you thinking that something is wrong and you might be under the attack, let's quickly enable this lockdown mode to be secure and to be sure that everything is fine. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe to our channel, leave a thumbs up under the video.